Yeah, that was slippery. That was so slippery. Jesus! Okay, so I crashed and my rear bumper is in 2 pieces. Oh, it is so slippery and it's not even raining. But yeah, let's try and get a hang of it. That's a nice E36. Oh, wow. I thought this would be easier, but this is so much more difficult. And I think I'm gonna break an axle today because it's half dry and half wet. Time for a service break. I'm gonna fix my bumper, even though I don't really need it, but you gotta look cool. Amazing fix. Okay, Kari's coming back. What's wrong with it? Oh! Oh no! Hetkinen, mistä? Siis tossa pitkä. No se on muutenkin jo lytyssä. It's drifting. Oh my god, the super drifting. Oh, that is so cool, man. All right, let's do this. Okay, that was a good one. Almighty! Joo.
Koittaa noita klippejä enemmän.
Joo. Mä voin koittaa tulla perässä, jos mä pysyn.
Mutta mä yritän justiin leviää linjaa.
Joo.
Älä hyökkää sisällä.
En hyökkää. Mä tuun heti sisältä. Oh my days, this is difficult. Because you have your eyes on the car all the time. And you must like mimic whatever they are doing in the front. So, yeah. He went so wide in that one. I'm surprised that nothing happened. Oh, he blew a tire. Oh. It's funny because that tire is basically new. Well, what can you do? Alrighty guys, that wraps up our 2025 season. That was the last time we went drifting because it's getting really cold out here. So it's been a journey. That was the 4th time we were there. So yeah, it was so fun once again. And for next season, I have some plans. So maybe in the next episode, you'll know more. But anyways, thanks ever so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.